today I want to show you something a little bit different. This is super, super cool because we all know that video and shorts and reels and that kind of stuff are a big deal. What if you want to create some social media videos, but you don't want to either put yourself on the video or you're just having a hard time putting that together? It feels like too much work. So I am going to show you a really fun hack that you can do and make this super duper fun. Just what I do. So I am going to send us into Jeffrey's AcuDownloads. Again, link is in the description here. So AcuDownloads, I have social media for acupuncture for anxiety and the self-help series. So if you click on that, you will see you're given two choices here to download this. One is to just download the images as they are, but now many of Jeffrey's graphics have a Canva template. So what you want to do is open your Canva account and then click Canva template, and then it will open so that you can then say use the template. And then what happens is it shows up in your account. And I'm going to show you some of these other versions here like this. So you can see this is Jeffrey's original anxiety self-help tips. And there are several pages to this. So you can see there's a little bit of information. There's a nice little thing about the kidneys, so spend some time in nature, beautiful, well done things. But these are not my brand colors, right? And then it says at the end, want more tips? And then you can share, comment, save, that kind of stuff. So this is really cool. Jeffrey does an amazing job. Now, everything in here is editable, including the fonts, the colors. And last time I showed you, you can come into design. And if you have a font and or a color palette, brand palette already saved, then you can just click on, those are my fonts. So you saw it just change the fonts. Do that back again so you can see. And I can do each one individually. So I can go to each page and I can click and it'll change the fonts. Or I could just go down here, see where it says, I'm going to change this a little bit. See where it says apply to all pages? I could just click apply to all pages and now they all have them all with one click. And I can do the same thing with my brand colors. So I could come in here and I could find the combination that I like best with all my brand colors. And then I could do the next page and maybe I want that one to be a little bit different. I could do that one and I could come in here and change that around. Or I could just do, okay, maybe I find one that I like and then I could say apply to all pages and then it applies it to all. So that is in a nutshell what I showed you last time. And that's the advantage of having the Canva account that allows you to save your fonts and save your brand kit. But that's still not what I want to show you with this. So what I did is I took that same set of images from Jeffrey, I put in my brand colors, and then I thought, I wonder if I can turn this into a video, a reel, a type of thing. So the way to do that is you can actually, so I'll just take this one, or let's take Jeffrey's since I already did mine. Let's go and design, styles. I wonder if I can come back. Let's go back. I love the back button. All right. So we're back to our original with Jeffrey's thing. What you can do is you can come in here and you can change the formatting by doing this thing called resize. You can see up here in the upper left on my screen, if you hit resize, it shows you what the actual size is right now. So right now it's 1080 by 1080, which will fit just about any social media platform. That's a standard. But I could come up here and I could say, maybe I want to do a YouTube short. So I could just search for shorts. You could search for reels. You could do Instagram. You could choose whatever you wanted. And then I can do this thing called copy and resize. So what that'll do is it'll save the 1080 by 1080 that I have right now, but it will also make a brand new copy. You can see right here of the size, exactly what I need for a short. And look what else it did. It just turned it into a video, right? So when I play the video, each one of these is a tile and it'll switch every 5 seconds. Now that's just the default that it's set up to. So that alone is pretty cool, right? That alone is pretty cool. But I have something even cooler for you, because what you can also do is you can now edit all this information in here. You can also add music, and that is exactly what I did. And I want you to see if I can make this a little bit bigger. And I don't know if you'll be able to hear this, but this does have music. And I added some little animations in here. I changed some of the text. I know this is small for you guys, but I just want to give you an idea of what you can create. So I have at the end call to action, share this with someone you love, right? So let's take a look at where this actually lives. So I'm creating a brand new YouTube channel, and I think I need to go into my YouTube studio and content live. So this is now, I'm going to make this a public video, public, publish, and I'm going to take that link, get a shareable link, and let's put that into the chat here. So this is the shareable link for that video. So you can click on that. Now when we click on it, we can see it in its full glory. And then you can also hear the music that goes with it. And I also added a little branding. If you don't want to do the live ones and you want to use graphics, then look at Jeffrey's Downloads and see how you can format them a little bit differently. All you have to do is click that copy and resize, add in some animations, add in a little music, and you have yourself a video. All right, you guys, I thank you. I hope you have a great Friday, and I will edit this video so it's nice and short, and you can check that out on my other YouTube channel. All right, you guys, you have a great day.